So IRSA has a lot of tutorial videos. How can you find the video that you want among all the videos, and there are many, in IRSA's YouTube feed? Well, there's a couple different ways to do it. Within playlists, I have tried to collect all of the videos on the theme. So say the time series tool videos, all 7 videos that are relevant for the time series tool are pulled together in one playlist. But if you notice, there's some themes for the names. All of the videos start with the words IRSA tutorial and then a number. Those numbers correspond to the subjects of the video. So the videos that start with 00 are general IRSA information, 01 are catalog search powered by Gator, 02 are tools called Atlas and Radar that allow searches over a good chunk of IRSA's holdings. All of the Spitzer videos start with 03, all the WISE videos start with 04, all of the videos that record entire talks, most often from conferences, starts with 05. Videos having to do with Finder chart start with 06. Videos that start with 07 are all of the IRSA viewer tools. All of the time series tool videos start with 08. All the IRTF videos, there aren't many right now, start with 09. The 10 videos are ones that use many different tools at IRSA, and the ones that start with 11 will be where the Sophia tutorials go. So you can, from within YouTube, search within the channel. So if you go to the IRSA IPAC channel, you're supposed to be able to search within the channel for videos by a certain name. For reasons I don't understand, it's not working properly right now. When I'm logged in as IRSA, I can in fact search and say, just give me all the ones that start with IRSA tutorial 07, and it'll show me that there's 14 videos that start with 07. I'm hopeful that that kind of search capability will eventually be available to you from the YouTube page that goes with this channel. I don't know quite why it doesn't work. So in the meantime, until the search works better, you need to go and find the playlist that corresponds to the videos that you're interested in. So in order to find the playlists, you can ask it to give you a list of all of the playlists, and you can look at them all at once without having to scroll through them, and you can say, oh, what I need is the solar system objects playlist, or the tutorials that it can apply to more than one IRSA tool.